Very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all, respected dignitaries, invited guests, my colleague, and the galaxy of intellectuals, that is the participants. I am Dr. Truptiranjan Mahapatra, Associate Professor, Department of Production Engineering, VSSUT, and the coordinator of this event. As the host, I would like to welcome each and every one of you to the inaugural ceremony of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on 3D printing and design. AICT Training and Learning Academy, it was established in September 2018 with an objective to plan and help in imparting quality technical education in the country and to support the technical institutions in fostering research, innovation, and entrepreneurship through training in various emerging areas. Initially, they had identified 9 thrust areas, that is artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, robotics, data sciences, 3D printing and design, quantum computing, and virtual reality. Those are going to be, or those are going to lead the technological world in future. In the context of train the trainers concept, it is aimed to improve the knowledge and skill of the trainers, including faculty members, research scholars, PG scholars, and staff of technical institutions, as well as industry personnel, through conducting FDPs on these emerging areas. I must mention here that recently Atal Academy has been included in the Book of World Records, under which 1000 online FDPs on the emerging areas have been conducted during the year 2020. In this regard, Department of Production Engineering VSSUT has got the opportunity to conduct FDPs on 2 thrust areas, that is data sciences and 3D printing and design. The FDP on data science was held during 16th to 20th November 2020, and the FDP on 3D printing and design will be conducted during 18th to 22nd January 2021. So to start the proceedings, I consider it a great honor to welcome Professor Atal Choudhury sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor VSSUT, to accomplish the digital inauguration and perform the traditional lighting of the lamp. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. The present FDP is aimed to address to individual researchers and institutions interested in the development and implementation of 3D printing technologies. This will give excellent academic forum for sharing knowledge and results in theory, design, methodology, and application of additive manufacturing in different disciplines of engineering as mechanical, metallurgy, material science, biotechnology, biomedical, as well as architecture. The program aims to enable participants to learn the applications of 3D printing and also biomedical modeling so as to empower them to offer a course on 3D printing technology at their respective institutions and impart the knowledge and skills related to 3D printing technologies, selection of material and equipment, and product development so far as the Industry 4.0 is concerned. Now, I would like to request Professor Debadatta Mishra sir, co-coordinator of this program, to present the welcome address. Please, sir.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Dean Continuing Education, Head of the Department, Dr. Pal, the Coordinator of the FDP, and other faculty members present here, and the participants. I welcome you to this second Atal FTP conducted by the department on a hot topic like 3D printing and design. And as you know, implementation of 4.0 Industry 4.0 is in progress, and during the process, this 3D printing or this additive manufacturing is an important aspect because it helps in direct manufacturing, direct digital manufacturing rather, with the conceptualization of the product up to the production. It is done digitally. And that is scope what we get is there is possibility of getting a direct ready to use functional part for the different applications. Mostly it is being applied to the medical science or the in biomedical engineering, all these parts are being used. And this has got unique property like these are airtight, watertight, like that, so that it finds direct application. And simultaneously now researchers are striving to get how this can withstand more load so that it can be used in other application area or other focus area. So the course is so designed that uh, it will be covering the process chain, the value chain, the different processes of 3D printing or this additive manufacturing, different materials for use, and the design aspects along with the applications will be dealt with. And we have got a galaxy of resource persons who are excellent in this field, and they are from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Guwahati, and industrial leaders like Reddington. They will be delivering or they will be discussing different aspect of this 3D printing. And for information, there were 101 applicants for this particular course, and 86 has registered. And with this, I welcome you again and wish this FTP a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Consequently, I would like to invite uh, our head of the department, Dr. Kamal Pal, sir, to address this inaugural meeting. Please, sir.
Respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Atul Chaudhary Sir, respected Dean CDC, Professor Jena Sir, respected Professor Debudatta Mishra Sir, co-coordinator of this event, and my colleagues, my dear participants, a very good morning to welcome you all in this inaugural session of AICT Training and Learning Academic sponsored 5-day online FDP program on 3D printing and design and its application in manufacturing and design. Today's manufacturing concepts rapidly changing towards digitizations, Internet of Things to Industry 4.0, where additive manufacturing has a significant role. However, for digital transformation in manufacturing industries, both scientific studies as well as research and development sectors should share their thoughts, for which such as workshop-based FDP is highly essential. Digital fabrication technology in 3D printing or additive manufacturing creates physical objects from a geometrical representation by successive addition of materials. It has been increasingly used for the mass customization, production of any types of open source design in the field of agriculture, healthcare, automotive industry, and aviation industries. It can print an object layer by layer deposition of materials directly from a CAD model. This short-term FDP program will help the participants a lot for their future research by interaction with academicians from IITs, NITs, as well as industry experts. I also feel that all the participants will enjoy through this online sharing platform and with a great success. Finally, once again, on behalf of production engineering department, I welcome you all. Finally, once again, on behalf of production department, welcome you all and also thankful to Professor Debudatta Mishra sir to organize session and also thankful to Professor T.R. Mohapatra sir and Virendra Kumar Barik sir, coordinator of this program, and support this in an efficient way. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Moving forward, may I now take this opportunity to request respected Professor Umaranjan Jena, sir, Dean CDC VSSUT Burla, to share his views. Please, sir.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Atal Chaudhary sir, Head of the Department, Dr. Kamal Pal, Coordinator of the program, Dr. Triptiranjan Mahapatra, Coordinator of the program, Professor Debudatta Mishra, as well as Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik, the participants and resource persons. I welcome you all to this AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored 5-day faculty development program on 3D printing and design online. So this online, as I have seen, that helping, even if we are far apart, helping it, number of participants, a huge number. So almost all this FDP I have observed, around 100, more than 100 participants are taking part in this type of programs, which is essential for faculties, researchers, and our PG students. The objective of this AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored programs already dictated by our Dr. Triptiranjan Mahapatra. So such type of program is aided by AICTE to increase the research level of faculties as well as researchers. So I wish such type of program should continue a lot. And this is the second Atal FDP program organized by the Department of Production Engineering, VSSUT Burla. So more such programs should continue. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. It will be my honor to invite esteemed Professor Atal Chaudhary, sir, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, to address this digital gathering. Please, sir.
Professor Umaranjan Jena, Dean CDC, Dr. Kamal Pal, Head Production Engineering Department, Dr. Triptiranjan Mahapatra, Coordinator of this program, Professor Debudatta Mishra, and Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik, co-coordinator of this program, all research persons and participants. It is a great pleasure to be here to inaugurate such a nice program under AICTE Training and Learning Academy, that is Atal program. As we know, manufacturing concepts are rapidly changing and manufacturing processes are completely being redefined in the last decade. Industry 4.0, digitization and IoT are at the core of next generation manufacturing technologies. Additive manufacturing, considered to be one of the cornerstones of next generation digital manufacturing, is replacing or will be replaced some of the traditional manufacturing methods in several industries, not only in our country, but across the globe. For digital transformation of manufacturing industries, it is critical that scientific research and R&D studies on additive manufacturing technologies need to be shared on a common platform where scientific community and researchers from industry must come together. In this context, I am happy to learn that the Department of Production Engineering of Veer Surendra Shah University of Technology is organizing a 5 days online FDP on 3D printing and design. Accordingly to ISO or ASTM 52900-2015, 3D printing is defined as fabrication of three-dimensional objects through the deposition of a material using a print head, nozzle, or another printer technology. However, the term is often used synonymously with additive manufacturing. Over the past 3 decades, 3D printing has progressively matured from a small number of university research programs and a handful of companies to diverse commercial applications. Additive manufacturing technologies are widely adopted across the globe. In particular, the past decade has witnessed an explosion in research and development, commercialization, and industrial use of additive manufacturing technologies across a broad range of sectors spanning aerospace, defense, automotive, biomedical, printing, electronics, industrial manufacturing, construction, education, jewelry, sculpture, and art, to name just a few. Globally, there is strong interest in additive manufacturing as it has the potential to transform and disrupt entire markets and manufacturing process and supply chains. The input for an R&D printing technology is the CAD modeling and design, which plays a very important role in successfully obtaining a useful product. The aim of this FDP is to provide understanding of the state-of-the-art 3D printing technologies to a broad spectrum of researchers, industry practitioners, executives, faculty, and students. Therefore, I am assured the present FDP will not only impart knowledge and training on the fundamentals of interdisciplinary field of 3D printing and design with its different aspects and applications, but also benefit the participants, irrespective of the disciplines, to get exposed to the main facts of 3D printing, including 3D scanning and 3D modeling. I congratulate the coordinators for organizing such a nice FDP on this thrust area, that is 3D printing and design, and wish all the best and success of this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your blessings and encouraging words. This FDP comprises of 14 sessions of 90 minutes per session. All the sessions will be conducted online in Google Meet platform. There will be question and answers with experts towards the end of each session. Attendance will be recorded through Google Meet attendance and submitted to Atul Academy. So there will be no separate attendance form provided for attendance. E-certificate shall be issued by the Atul Academy to participants who have attended the program with minimum 80% attendance and scored minimum 60% marks in the test which will be conducted at the end. Now, on behalf of Department of Production Engineering, I would like to request my colleague, Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik, co-coordinator of this FDP, to offer the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
A very good morning to all the members of today's gathering in this inaugural session. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Lieutenant Virendra Kumar Barik, on behalf of Department of Production Engineering, BSSUT Bulla, the entire gathering present here, and other side of this video, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Atal Choudhury sir, for his kind approval of this program, gracing the occasion with his kind presence and sharing with us his valuable opinion. I like to express our deep sense of gratitude to Professor Umar Ranjan Jena sir, Dean CDC, BSSUT Pulla, for gracing this occasion with his encouraging words. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for our very own head of the department, Dr. Kamal Pal sir, for his support to organize this program. I would like to thank Professor Devadatta Mishra sir and Dr. Tuptiranjan Mahapatra sir, coordinator of this program, for their efforts towards initiating, planning, and support to organize this FDP. I must take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to the faculties, staff of our department for extending their timely help for conducting this FDP. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank all the external as well as internal participants for showing interest towards this program. I wish the participants an interesting and productive interaction during the program. Thank you all. Jai Hind.